Do you want to change your WhatsApp home screen using your own photo? Hello friends, my name is Yasin Azimi and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I have another awesome smartphone trick for you. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you change your WhatsApp home screen using your own photo just by following a few simple steps. So stay tuned to watch this video step by step up to the end. Hey, if this is the first time you're visiting my YouTube channel and wanna get more new tricks, so make sure you hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. It is totally free, you can subscribe right now and you will get more new tech and internet tricks every day. I hope you guys will do it, right? So friends, the very first thing that you have to do is just go to your smartphone screen and open your WhatsApp. After opening this, and here you can see that the background is white and there is no photo in here. And we want to change this one, plus the second thing that we want to change the background of the screen chat. So in here you can see that there is no photo in here. So for changing both of them, let's go to the settings. In here, three dots. So just click in here. After that, go to this option, settings. After that, in here you will find an option by the name of chats. So just click in here. Then after that there is an option by the name of wallpaper. Just click in here. Then after that select on the gallery. So you can select your own photo. After selecting your own photo, it would be like this. Then after that select this one. Click in here, set. Then after that go back. In here you can see that the background screen has not changed, but if you check in here you can see that the background screen of chat has been changed. So now this has been changed, and the second thing that we want to do is just to change this home screen of WhatsApp. So for changing this we have to install another application that's not available on Play Store. Before that one we have to just save all of our data. So for saving the data and all of the messages, just go to here, settings. Then after that scroll down, and in here in the option by the name of chats, then just scroll down, and here you will get an option by the name of chat backup. Then after that click in here, backup. You can enter your email also in here. So just press in here, backup, and now it is backing up your data. So all of your data will be saved to your mobile. It means if you install another application, and if you uninstall this application, all of your data will be saved on your mobile. So you need not to worry about all of the data in here. So in here you can give your account also. Then go back. Then after that just open your browser. Then go to Google. And in here you have to write FM WhatsApp latest version. After writing FM WhatsApp latest version, just click in here. Then you will get lots of links in here. Just click on the first one. Then after that scroll down and you will get the option for download. So just scrolling down. Yeah, and here you are getting the option by the name of download FMWA APK. And you can see that the total size is 52.1 MB. So just click this one. And after that it will go to the download page. So just scroll down, and in here you can see different versions of this application. So just try to make sure that you are installing the latest version of that one. So click in here, download APK version 8.26. So after that just skip this ad, and it will direct you to the download page. So now here is the download link. So just you click in here, download, and after that click in here, download. So now as you can see friends that it is downloading. So yeah, it's finished. So now you can open the file and you can just install this one. Yeah, and it's installing. Friends, you can see that this application has been installed. So just click in here, done. And after that, go back to your home screen. So friends, now you can see that you have two WhatsApp applications. So just try to remove the last one. Just in here, if there is no option of uninstall, just click in here, disable. And after that, disable. Now it's getting disabled, so it's done. Hey, if you want me to make more of this kind of video, make sure you comment below and don't forget to subscribe, because I upload like this video every day. Then after that, straightforward, go to this application. Just open that one. So in here it has been written that to restore from backup, allow WhatsApp access your device, photo, media and files. So just in here, click the settings. So just scroll down and in here, come to here, permissions. Just try to on all of them. Then go back. So after that, click in here, agree and continue. Then after that, click in here, copy WhatsApp data. And this is the very important part of this trick. Then after that, scroll up and just enter your number. Then just click in here, next. Then after that, the Google will send you a verification code. So just you will get it by maximum 10 seconds. Yeah, I got it. And just in here, and this is the most important part of this trick, so you have to click on here, restore. Now all of the data is being transferred from your phone to your WhatsApp. Now it is done, so click on here, next, and enter your name. Then just click on here, next. Then it's initializing, so just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, and all of your messages and everything will come. Yeah, and here you can see another option of the backup that you can choose any of them, daily, weekly. So I choose never in here, done. Just click in here, close. Then yes, my dear friends, now you can see that all of your messages are here and nothing has been deleted. So you can see in here, yeah, the screen chat photo, it's already available. All of the links, all of the photos. So the main thing was to change the home screen background. So for changing this, just click in here, three dots. Then after that, go to here, forward modes, the first one. Then after that, just go to this option, universal. Then after that, go to here, colors. Then after that, scroll down and in here you will get an option by the name of background. So just click in here. Then after that, just click in here, photo. And after that, just select this gallery. So I'm selecting this photo of Spider-Man from my gallery. Then just click in here, set. Just go back. And it is taking some time, yeah. Yes friends, you can see that the background screen has been changed. And you can see that in here, chat screen and as well as background screen, both of them have been changed. So that was the very simple trick for today. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up. If you want your friends to get this knowledge, so share with them. If you have any question, then let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe for free. And click the bell icon so I will send you a notification for every new video and you will not miss any of our videos. I have two other special videos for you in the right side. You can watch them as well. Thank you for watching. A world of gratitude. See you in the next video.